In apartment 2, our renovation rookies are all aflutter. With only 48 hours until room reveal, Courtney's doubting her styling choices.
After the last 2 days with our judges, and they're really emphasising the need for luxe and for like beautiful, rich colours, I think I need to rework all of our bedroom ideas and just stick with luxe, high-end finishes.
But the wardrobe she chose on day 1 no longer fits her newfound luxe style.
Should have gone with the white. I probably should have stuck with my gut and gone with the white and matte black, and then from there I could have built on the colours in the rest of my bedroom. I think that the grey kind of concrete look is really difficult to work with. I think we need to really think about a beautiful colour. Let's just change all of our bedroom. I just don't think it's going to be luxe enough, so I'm having an absolute breakdown as to how I can luxe up my room.
If I hear luxe one more time, I'm actually going to throw someone through a window.
Don't say that.
I'm serious.
Babe, don't.
Lucky they're safety windows and they can't be opened far enough for someone's body to go through, but seriously, getting bogged down, there has to be other design elements in there. It can't just all be one thing.
You know what my style is? It's beautiful.
With time running out, the pressure to deliver a completely restyled room in 2 days is having an impact.
Industrial luxe. Industrial luxe, industrial luxe, industrial luxe, industrial luxe. Dusty rose, industrial. Dusty rose, industrial. Lux, 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 lux.